Welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to continue the set methods pop, discard, remove and clear. In previous video, I explained how to add an element according to your requirement. If you want to add a single element, you can use the add method. If you want to add more than one element, use the update method. That part I explained in the part 1. But now I am going to show you the rest of the methods. So let me show you the code. Please walk through with me. So what is pop? So if you want to remove any one of the element from the set, you can use the pop method. Pop won't take any argument, but if you remember the list also pop method is there. So pop, if you won't specify any value, the by default end of the element will be removed. But pop take the index position, so index position through you can remove a specific element. That was the concept of list. But in the set, pop won't take any argument because due to the reason of why it won't take the index number, because it is unordered nature. So let me show you one example. str1 is equal to set1 is equal to 10, 20, 30 Python, Java. So you can write like a set1 dot pop of print of set1. Now you can see the element was removed randomly. That element, if you want to see, this is the final output. So here it's a little bit you have to check it which value was deleted. So 10 is there, Java, Python and 30. That means 20 was removed. But if you want to see which element was deleted, simply you can write the syntax like this. Take the same list and you can write the print statement here itself. Print of set1 dot pop off. Now you can see it is 20. So if you want to see which element was deleted, you can write the print statement here. Or if you want to see after remove the element, what is the final set. If you want, you can see this. Next, discard. So here if you try to specify any value, pop won't take any value. You can see set pop takes no arguments, but I given 1. So that's why it's raised the error of type error. So pop won't take any argument. But discard takes an argument, that is element name. It won't take the position because set property is unordered. So you can try to write the set1 dot discard of. Directly you can specify the element name here. Maybe I want to remove the Java. So print of set1. Now you can see. So set discard takes the element name. Element name through you can remove it a particular or specific element. And what is remove? Remove also takes the element name. If you want to remove a specific element from the set, you can use the remove method. So set1 dot remove of, you can specify the value here, that is Python. So print of set1, you can see. Then why we are having two methods here? Both are taking the element names. Then is there any difference between the discard and remove? Because here you can see discard, if you specify the value, if that value was there in the set, then it will remove. if the element was not there, maybe for example you can see C++, but you can see this element was not in the set. In that scenario, discard won't raise any error. If it is there, it will remove. If it is not there, means it won't throw any error. That's why in which scenario you have to use it. If you want to whether that value, if it is there, you can remove it, or if it is not there, means you can ignore it and continue. In those scenarios you can use the discard method. But remove method is different. If you specify the value that was there in the set, means it will remove. If any value is not there, for example Ruby, that was not there in the set, in that scenario it is going to raise the error. So this is the difference. Discard won't throw any error, but remove will throw the error if that specified value was not there in the set. So in which scenario you are going to use it? Maybe if you want to see the value, what value is, whether that value is there or not. If you want to confirm it, and then if you want to continue the work, in those scenario you can use the remove. Next, clear. Clear won't take any argument. You can take this one. Clear, it won't take any argument. It is going to remove all the elements and returns the empty set. So you can write like a set1 dot clear of print of set1. Now you can see it is the empty set. So any one of the method you can use it according to your requirement if you want to remove an element from the set. So thank you. In next video, I'm going to explain the next methods: union, intersection, symmetric differences and difference. So please follow my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in next video.